Pwersa, alas is back once again. Naka-new arrival po sa may Anonas, located. Nandun lang po ang MRT station going to Anonas. Nandito lang po ang Ukay Shoes. Naka-new arrival. Welcome, Anonas. Ukay, new arrival. Initsuka Tiger Shoes. Size 11, price 880. Initsuka Tiger Shoes. Anta Shoes, price 1280. Size 10. Anta Shoes. Nike, size 8, price 1280. Nike Shoes. Anta Shoes, Clay Thompson, price 880. Size 8. Anta Shoes, Clay Thompson. Leaning Shoes, Gwen Gay, size 8, price 1080. Leaning Gwen Gay model. Leaning shoes, pang-basketball, price 1280. Size 9. Leaning shoes. Adidas Boost, size 9, price 1580. Adidas Boost. Skechers, size 8, price 1080. Skechers triple double white. Leaning shoes, size 10, price 1280. Leaning shoes. Adidas size 7, price 1280. Adidas Stan Smith, size 6, price 880. Adidas Stan Smith. Nike Air Force 1, price 1280. Size 6. Nike Air Force 1. Adidas MMD, size 6, price 880. Adidas MMD. Converse shoes, price 1080. Size 5. Converse shoes. Palladium shoes, price 680. Size 7. Palladium. Puma shoes, size 4, price 680. Puma. Nike Cortez, size 5, price 680. Nike Cortez. Anta shoes, running shoes, price 680. Size 8. Anta running shoes. Timberland shoe, size 8.5, price 1280. Timberland. Caterpillar, price 1280, size 8.5. Caterpillar. Doc Martens, size 8.5, price 1580. Doc Martens. Kyrie Irving, price 1280, size 8.5. 1280, 8.5. Kyrie Irving. Anta shoes, Clay Thompson, price 1080, size 9. Anta Clay Thompson. Adidas James Harden, size 9, price 1580. Adidas Boost James Harden. Nike shoes, price 1,280, size 9.5. Nike shoes, Caterpillar, size 9.5, price 1,580. Caterpillar. Peak shoes, Tony Parker, size 10, price 1,280. Peak Tony Parker. Guys, ito po yung sapatos ni Daniel, size 9.5, price 1,880. Adidas Daniel. Nike Air Max Bubble, price 1,880, size 12. Nike Air Max Bubble. Nike Kevin Durant, size 8.5, price 1,580. Nike Kevin Durant. Kyrie shoes, price 1,380, size 8. Kyrie shoes, new arrival, all items. Adidas Boost James Harden, size 9.5, price 1,580. Adidas Boost James Harden. Again, Klay Thompson Anta, price 1,080, size 9.5. Anta Klay Thompson. Nike shoes, size 10, price 1,880. Nike shoes. Puma shoes, size 11, price 1,580. Puma shoes. Adidas, size 9.5, price 1,280. Adidas shoes. GT, price 1,080, size 9. Nike GT. Adidas James Harden, size 8.5, price 1,580. Adidas James Harden. Nike shoes, size 8, price 1,280. Nike shoes. Nike Air Max Bubble, price 1,580. Nike Air Max Bubble. Adidas Boost, price 1,580, size 9.5. Adidas Boost. Nike size 8.5, price 1,580. Nike. Adidas Boost NASA, price 1,080, size 9. Adidas NASA Boost. Nike Air Max Bubble, price 1,280. Nike Air Max Bubble. Peak running shoes, price 1,080, size 9.5. Peak running shoes. Leaning, size 8.5, price 1,280. Leaning shoes. Adidas Boost, size 8.5, price 1,580. Adidas Boost. Adidas Alpha Bounce Boost, price 1,280, size 9. Adidas Alpha Bounce Boost. Nike Air Force 1 triple double white, price 1280, size 8.5, Nike Air Force 1 triple double white. New Balance, beautiful, size 10, price 1,080. New Balance, beautiful shoes. Nike Vapor Max, size 8.5, price 1,280. Nike Vapor Max. Nike size 9, price 1,080. Nike shoes. Boost, price 1,280, size 8.5. Adidas Boost. Reebok, price 1,280, size 9. Reebok. Nike, price 1,880, size 9. Nike Off-White. Kyrie shoes, price 2,280, size 11. Kyrie shoes. Nike LeBron James, size 11, price 1,880. Nike LeBron James Kyrie shoes, size 11, price 2,280. Kyrie shoes model. Allen Iverson, size 8, price 1,580. Allen Iverson. Nike Michael Jordan, size 9, price 1,880. Nike Michael Jordan Low. Nike Michael Jordan, price 2,280, size 8.5. Nike LeBron James, price 1,880. Nike Paul George, size 9, price 1,580. Nike Paul George. Nike Kobe Bryant Low, price 1,580, size 9. Nike Kobe Bryant Low. Nike Michael Jordan, price 1,580, size 8.5. Nike Michael Jordan Low. Persa, alas, hanggang dito na lang. Naka new arrival, Anonas. Alas.